translated to English the beneath the badge, for him to explain to us what lies ahead for tonight's activity. Sir?
Good evening. Good evening and welcome to Piero Calabarzon. Maybe this is not new to you. You have been here, maybe some of you, you've been here 2 times, 3 times already, or meron sa isang bago lang dito. Sila ang bago sa inyo dito. Bago ako kayo, dapat inalikan nyo yung bago dun sa harap na Calabarzon. Before I'm going to deliver my very short message to all of you, I have to tell you my condition. I've been here for 40 days. I'm 40 days old now. And I have only 90 days left. 90 days left in the service. Which means I will be retiring after 90 days, or less than 90 days. You are now listening to a person or a police officer who's going to retire after 90 days. So sometimes I examine myself and I think I'm crazy because I feel different feelings the way I used to be. I was very aggressive then. Pag mayroong organized crime groups, gusto ko nandun ako sa front line, fighting criminals, But from my status now, it becomes more strategic, it becomes managerial. So, there are things that I can see na I don't used to see it before. Maturity maybe, but in being, I can still find several mortalities, some imperfections. By the way, my family is sa likod yung family ko. Pakitaas niyo yung mga kamay niyo dyan at magpakilala kayo dyan. My wife is there and 2 daughters of mine. Palakpakan natin yung mga from Manila to see you. This will be very informal, no? Huwag tayong masyadong maging seryoso. And I have to tell you that I'm PWD. I told you that before. That's why if you ask me questions, at least I can invoke my 20% discount provided for you. So the message is this, no? In every bus, there is a story untold. In every uniform, a life quietly unfolding beyond the call of duty. Sa likod ng Chapa is not just a song, it is a journey into the unseen, a tribute to the weight carried in silence. And the battles fought far from the spotlight. Behind every operation is a beating heart. Behind every command is a sacrifice. Behind every hero is a story that deserves to be heard. Tonight, we unveil more than music. We unveil truth. We unveil humanity. We unveil the soul behind the badge. This is for those who serve without applause, political. For those without applause, mga unsung heroes. For those who stand in the line of fire, not for glory, but for country. This is sa likod ng Chapa. This is the story. Maraming salamat.